Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to disable the chat for your Zoom meetings. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself and that this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Zoom application if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either schedule a new meeting, join an existing meeting and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and create our meeting by clicking this option right here called new meeting. So we're going to go ahead and create a new meeting guys. You can see now we have successfully started our meeting. So what you can do is either share your screen or start your video, whatever you want, but I'm going to be showing you how to disable the chat for everybody that is viewing your meeting. And to do that guys, it's very easy. All you have to do is go ahead to the lower or bottom corner right here and find this option right here called security. You want to go ahead guys and click on security right here, and this will open up these new options that you can use for editing your meeting, such as locking your meeting, enabling waiting room and so on. What you want to do is go ahead and under this allow participants to option, you want to disable the chat option. Go ahead and click on chat guys. And now, if you see, you have successfully disabled the chat option and nobody except you will be able to type in your chat. So guys, if you want to bring it back, all you have to do is go ahead into the security option once again and click on chat again. And now this will enable chat again for everybody in your meeting. So yeah guys, that's how you disable chat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.